Have you ever wondered what fuels the most successful people on the planet? Is there a billionaire breakfast secret that helps them stay at the top? Today, we're diving deep into what the world's wealthiest and most powerful people eat to start their day, and how you can use their habits to boost your own energy, productivity, and success. Breakfast isn't just a meal, it's a strategy. The right foods can sharpen your focus, boost energy, and even impact decision-making. That's why billionaires don't just eat for taste. They eat for performance, and what they consume might surprise you. Elon Musk often skips breakfast, but when he eats, it's a protein-packed omelet. Jeff Bezos loves whole foods like eggs, salmon, and avocado. No junk food allowed. Warren Buffett prefers simplicity, McDonald's breakfast, but with portion control. Oprah Winfrey, green smoothies, protein-packed foods, and nutrient-rich fruits. Richard Branson, high-fiber muesli and fresh fruit for sustained energy all day. See the pattern? High protein, healthy fats, and minimal sugar. This combination keeps their minds sharp and their energy steady, helping them make billion-dollar decisions. Want to fuel your success like a billionaire? Here's your new breakfast plan. Protein power, eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Healthy fats, avocado, salmon, nuts, or chia seeds. Complex carbs, oatmeal, whole grain toast, or quinoa. Ditch the sugar bombs. No pastries, cereals, or sugary coffee drinks. This isn't just about eating. It's about optimizing your body and mind for high performance, just like the ultra-successful do. Success starts on your plate. Which billionaire's breakfast would you try? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more insights on how to level up your health and success, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's make every morning a billionaire morning.